welcome back to the channel. This is Miss A, your classy beauty savvy, and today it's time to unbox my iPhone 13 Pro. So I got this from Power Mac Center and I have pre-ordered it last October 7 or October 8 sa kanilang Viber community. Sa, again, Power Mac Viber community. So, this is a pre-order so that hindi na tayo pipila and meron na tayo agad product when we go there. So, this is my first ever iPhone. Finally, I gave in. Finally, it's time for this investment para sa aking channel and for, of course, all the future photos that I'll be taking. This is an iPhone 14 Pro in gold. And of course, classic color tayo because I'm the classy beauty savvy. But truly, I love classic colors like this for the first phone ever na meron ako sa iPhone. And of course, it's so beautiful and I got the 128 gigabytes na storage. It's so pretty. Nakikita nyo naman. And of course, this is what you'll get in the box. Meron tayo nitong cord. So this one, they don't have the power brick, so you can just use your previous power brick. So I have my iPad, so it works naman. And then we have other babasahin. And the good thing about the iPhone that was launched in Power Mac, it has its SIM tray. So you can still use your SIM without converting it into eSIM. And of course, if you travel abroad, diba, if you buy SIM card there para mas mura, you can still use this iPhone. So ayan, this is how it looks. I'm just mesmerized. And ito yung mga buttons niya. You can see yung SIM tray, and then we just have the power button here. And ayun. So let's start peeling the cover. Wow, so satisfying. So this is how it looks. It feels heavy. It feels premium. Ito yung first time ko magkaroon talaga na iPhone. So I'm just so mesmerized right now and excited. So ito na, bumili ako ng kanyang tempered glass. And of course, we will DIY it. So, para mas makatipid, pero actually, mas mahal siyang nabili dahil sa mall ko siyang binili. But you can always buy your tempered glass sa Shopee. I also have bought this lens cover. And again, sobrang mahal nito sa mall ko kasi siya nabili, only to find out na ang mura lang pala nito sa Shopee. I bought this for 450. Grabe. And in Shopee, it's just 75, 45. Such a waste of money, and you'll see why I said it's such a waste of money in just a bit. Here comes the most scary part of doing things DIY. Look at the satisfying part is again. Wow. Oh, there's a bubble. Medyo natagalan akong tanggalin yung bubble na yon, but here is the finished product. It looks decent. Now it's time to clean the lenses. So if you notice dito sa iPhone 14 Pro, mas naka-embossed or nakalabas yung mga lenses ng iPhone na ito. So you really need to protect it. Here's the overpriced lens cover. And then here's my attempt in using it properly. So again, don't buy it sa mall. I-buy nyo na lang siya sa Shopee. So akala ko okay na, but then I found out na may mga balahibo or lint dun sa mismong lens. So I have to throw this away. Sayang. Let's move on to my favorite haul. Here are some cases that I bought from Shopee for this iPhone 14 Pro. So let's start with the first one. It looks so beautiful. Ito ay clouds, and then of course it has this holographic na filter. And I'm planning to use this Sabora. It looks super duper pretty. Tapos ayan nga, it changes its color kasi holo siya. Then I bought a lot of clear cases because I want the gold color to show. I want to showcase how beautiful this gold iPhone is. So, bili tayo ng mga clear lang, and pwede mo rin siyang lagyan ng mga stickers or i-decorate mo siya if you want. So, classic lang na magkaroon ng white or clear na case. Here's another clear case, but this time it has pockets for the pictures or cards, whatever you want to put in there, or even money, para isang largahan na lang, isang alis na lang. And this is my favorite, second favorite actually. So, ito ay merong handle straps. And it looks super duper nice. And dahil may strap siya, you can, make it like a sling bag or purse or phone. So, kahit saan ka pumunta, let's say for example, you will be traveling or being in a vacation, madali mo siyang madadala because you can just wear it like a sling bag. To turn on the phone and set it up so we can start using it. I have not realized na mirror pala siya, so pagpasensyahan nyo na kung baliktad yung sulat, but that's the iconic hello. Needed to switch phone or angle, so I'm using my iPad actually while I was filming the first few clips na napanood ninyo. So I needed to use my Huawei phone naman to film this. So this is how I have completed setting it up. Stay tuned for the next video. It will be all about how I customize my phone. So can't wait to see you all on my next one. Bye!